OneDrive is a cloud storage service that lets you access your files from any device. But did you know that you can also use it as a portable scanner? With the OneDrive app, you can scan documents, whiteboards, business cards, and photos, and save them to your OneDrive account. Here's how to do it. You can download the OneDrive app for free from the Google Play Store if you have an Android device, or from the App Store if you have an iPhone or iPad. Once you install the app, sign in with your Office Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create a personal one for free. To start scanning, open the OneDrive app and tap the Scan button. It looks like a camera shutter icon at the bottom of the screen. Depending on what you want to scan, you can choose from 4 different scan types: whiteboard, document, business card, or photo. You can scroll through the options at the bottom of the screen and tap the one that matches your scan. Choosing the right scan type will improve the quality and accuracy of your scan. You can also adjust the flash settings by tapping the flash icon at the top of the screen. You can choose from on, off, automatic, or torch, only available on Android. If the lighting is poor, you may want to turn on the flash to get a clearer scan. To capture the image, point your device's camera at the item you want to scan and tap the camera icon. You can also use the volume buttons to take a picture. Try to align the edges of the item with the corners of the screen for a better scan. After you take a picture, you can drag the white border of the image to adjust the size and crop the scan. You can also rotate the image if needed. When you are satisfied with the scan, tap Confirm. If you want to edit your scan, you can apply different filters, crop, rotate, or add annotations to it. You can also add more scans to the same document by tapping the Add icon. The maximum number of scans you can add at a time is 10. If you want to delete a scan, you can swipe left or right on the scan and tap Delete. When you are done with your scans, tap Done. The final step is to name and save your scan. You can enter a name for your scan by tapping the Name field. You can also choose the location where you want to save your scan in your OneDrive or SharePoint sites by tapping the folder icon. You can create a new folder if you want. When you are ready to save your scan, tap the checkmark icon. Your scan will be uploaded to your OneDrive account, and you can access it from any device. Using the OneDrive app as a portable scanner is a convenient and easy way to digitize your documents, whiteboards, business cards, and photos. You can save them to your OneDrive account and share them with others. You can also edit, organize, and search your scans from the app. Try it out and see how it works for you. Thank you for watching. If you like, please click the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel as more video like this to come.